we'll guide you through how to use Bezier curves in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Blender and create a new project, or open an existing project where you want to use Bezier curves. If the default cube is not needed, select it and press X to delete it from the scene. Move your mouse cursor into the 3D viewport so Blender knows where to place the new curve object. Press Shift+A to open the Add menu, then choose Curve and select Bezier. A default Bezier curve will appear with two control points connected by a curved line. Press Tab to enter edit mode so you can begin changing the curve shape. Select one of the control points by left-clicking on it until it turns orange. Press G to grab the selected point and move it into a new position inside the viewport. Each control point has handles attached to it, and dragging these handles changes the smoothness and direction of the curve. To make the curve longer, select a point and press E to extrude additional segments from it. Continue moving points and adjusting handles until you create custom paths, decorative shapes, or smooth flowing lines. You can also press R to rotate points or handles for more precise curve shaping. Press S to scale selected points or handles if you want the curve to become tighter or wider. Open the Properties panel on the right side of Blender and click the Curve Object Data Properties tab marked with a green curve icon. Increase the resolution preview value to make the curve appear smoother in the viewport. If you add thickness to the curve, enable the Fill Caps option so the ends become closed instead of hollow. Open the Geometry section and increase the bevel depth value to give the curve visible thickness like a wire or tube. Finally, go to the Material Properties tab and add a material for color or shading. Then press numpad 0 to switch to camera view and check how the finished curve looks within your scene composition. You can return to object mode at any time by pressing tab again, allowing you to move, duplicate, or combine the finished curve with other objects in the project. Practicing these tools regularly will help you create cleaner motion paths, graphics, and three-dimensional designs in Blender.